I would cover your ears if I were you. See, like, look. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Don't snitch, okay? So if you guys can like and subscribe, that'd be awesome. And do you want to see the picture?
No.
Okay.
I want you to leave.
Okay. I'm gonna leave.
I want to take my gun out of my pocket.
Oh my God.
Now go.
Is it on you?
Leave.
Okay, I'm sorry. Oh shit.
I will take this from you right now.
That's Daddy's camera.
I don't give a shit.
That's Daddy's camera.
You're not allowed
Sir,
to take
oh,
what is going on? What the fuck?
Are you okay?
What the fuck just happened? I just walked in the aisle and this man just touched me.